way to think about decision making here is to like I learned this many years back, sort of confidence in decision making, right? Which is like the more confidence you have, the more bold you can make a decision. Like a good example is you're really sure, you're absolutely sure that the incrementality insight you got on Facebook is absolutely right. You should double your Facebook spend. You got that insight across multiple different reads. You got multiple geo tests, lift tests, MMM. Everything agrees that Facebook is overperforming. The ROAS target is 2.5. It's at 3.5 or 4, and amazing. You should absolutely increase your spend at least by 2x, probably more. You did a scale test. Scale test came back with very strong reads. Okay, you should definitely go all the way and double the spend. But maybe you found that you didn't that much confidence. Maybe there's a little bit of panic because in the geo tests came back with one read. That's the read you believe in, but the MMM did not pick it up. The MMM give you a soft read. The ROAS according to the MMM is 2. ROAS according to the test is 3. Now you can make sense of it. Like MMM is averaging the performance across multiple years. Incrementality test is more fresh. So you believe this, but you're also nervous. You don't want to lose your shirt, right? So then you can make a halfway house decision. What's a halfway house decision? You can say, I'm going to scale in 1/3 of the country, okay, or 1/2 of the country. Prove to myself that it works before I go national, okay? So you can take like halfway house decisions, allows you to walk in the direction of optimality, or what we call efficient frontier or Pareto optimality, and without having to like take measured risks depending on how much confidence you have, right? This particular thesis, this particular approach for decision making can be a big unlock, because a lot of times you'll have conflicting signals, and then you still have to move forward, right? Staying at the current place is suboptimal. You want to move to the optimal place, but you don't have perfect confidence that the place is optimal. Now you can test into that, of course, but you can also move towards that in steps. And then a variety of ways to do that. I can just give you one example. You can also just do daily changes. You can just keep increasing your spend daily and then get to doubling the spend over a period of time. Watch the multipliers, watch the last click numbers, and then estimate the causal impact and take a sort of more calibrated approach. So different ways to get to that optimal place if you have faith in it. So a way to handle uncertainty in decision making in our specific context.